Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today, we're going to be looking at that famous American song, Yankee Doodle, and how to play it on a diatonic harmonica. Here's what Yankee Doodle looks like when it's written down in the key of C, and here is how it sounds. C, C, D, E, C, E, D, C, C, D, E, C, B, C, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B, G, A, B, C, C, A, B, A, G, A, B, C, G, A, G, F, E, G, A, B, A, G, A, B, C, A, G, C, B, D, C, C. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 7 twice. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 8. Blow into 7. Blow into 8. And breathe in through 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 7 twice. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 8. Blow into 7. And breathe in through 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 7 twice. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 8. Breathe in through 9. Blow into 8. And breathe in through 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 6. Breathe in through 7. And blow into 7 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, breathe in through 6. Breathe in through 7. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 6. Breathe in through 7. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 6. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 5. And blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 7 is exactly the same as phrase 5. So let's move on to phrase 8. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 6. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. Breathe in through 8. And blow into 7 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all these phrases together. And there you have it. And remember to keep an eye out for part 2 of this tutorial. I'll show you how to play the same song but in the lower part of the harmonica. Until next time, stay tuned.
Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also, I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.